Puss is a funny little conger with a funny smile. 5 feet now.
Hello, my name is Pearse Butler. I'm chairman of Blackpool Victoria Hospitals Trust. I am so excited to be here today for the opening of our Poppy Memorial. I think the space of our main entrance is one of the most important public spaces in Blackpool. And to have a major memorial that everyone will see, everyone will engage in, is outstanding. We are part of a community, and this is about making us part of the community. There's a huge number of people who've been involved. Nigel Fort's done some fabulous work in designing it, but I particularly want to thank the people who've knitted the poppies. It looks amazing. It's going to be a real talking point and a real opportunity for the teaching hospital and for our local community to pay a proper memorial for the people who died in the war. Please come along and look at it. Please enjoy it.
It's amazing to be here today. This has been the culmination of a year-long campaign which has seen 28,000 poppies being made by some of these wonderful people up here, all culminating today in the opening of the Poppy Memorial, which is a wonderful thing to honour all those that died that were based around Blackpool and around the South Coast. There's been some wonderful work that's gone into this and amazing sponsors that have made it all possible, and it's just so exciting. I can't wait for everybody to see it.
Well, good morning, and what an honour it is for me to be here today. I've spent a little time this morning talking to the knitters, and is it knitters and natters? Whatever. I've been talking to them this morning. It's absolutely amazing the amount of effort that they put in to enable this to happen today. I'd also like to just say thank you to all the schools that have been involved and the children. It's so important that we pass on the legacy of respect and honour to our next generation and the generation after that. And so it's with great pleasure and enormous gratitude to everybody who served in any armed conflict over the last 100 years, and to their families who supported them and today still support those who come home. So thank you very much for coming here today, and let's see what's behind this.
Okay guys, thank you.
My name is Nilda, and I got involved in the project, in the Poppy project, through an advert that I saw on Facebook quite a few months ago, and then I came and joined the ladies. It was quite challenging because I did not know any crochet or very little knitting skills, so I challenged myself and I made 1918 as the year of the war, when the war ended, was that year. So that was the challenge that I had.
Glenholme, I'm from J. Harrison Builders. We are the main sponsors of this Poppy Memorial for Blackpool Teaching Hospitals. We was approached quite a good few months ago to see if we would be happy to support and sponsor this fantastic event that's going on. It's great to be involved in that. We're happy to support that. We are happy to give something back to the hospital and the local community, and to remember all those heroes of wars gone by.